hitting it.
Take a video.
I am.
Why?
It's a video. I got it.
Okay, let's stop it. Let's go. Well, upload it. That's so creepy. There's probably just like an explanation that the wind is just...
Maybe he's looking for something. There he goes.